Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage your SIM pin on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To manage your SIM pin, go to Settings app, then in Settings go to Security and Privacy, scroll all the way down to More Security and Privacy and find SIM lock, then enable lock SIM, and first you need to enter the pin that was previously set, or the default one if you haven't changed it, and now SIM is locked. You can change the SIM pin by clicking on change SIM pin, then first enter the old one, then new one, and then enter the new one again and click on OK. And now the pin has been changed, and you can also disable SIM pin. And to do that, you also need to enter the current pin. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.